Hello, good everyone. Welcome back to Leum YouTube channel. In this video tutorial, I will show you how about create the background become to blur in Photoshop. For the highlight is next coming up. I will show you like this. Okay, you can see the photo on the left side is for the original by taking camera. After we have changing the background become to blur like this, you can see before and after like this. That is my preview in this video tutorial. So before we are going to watch together, please don't forget to click like, subscribe and hit the button to get notification and support in my YouTube channel. Okay, let's see together. Open the Photoshop. Okay, in this dialog box, go to Open and select the photo that we want to create. Open. Yes, in this photo it is original. Yes, the background is opacity is 100%. So we want to change the background become to blur here. Okay, let's see. First, go to the select and select the subject. Okay, now the children will select this already, and then select this one, Ctrl J to duplicate the photo. Okay, and right click, go to select pixel. Yeah. Okay, close eye, select the background, go to select and go to modify, expand. Okay, expand by 20 pixel or more than 20, no problem. In up to you. In this case, in up to you. More maybe 30, 35, 40, something like that. In this tutorial, I have select only 20 pixel. Okay, just only click OK. Yeah. And go to edit, fill. Yeah, fill. Okay, in this fill contains constant aware, color updatation, blending normal 100%. Just only click OK. Okay, let's see. The children was removed already. Okay, before we are going to change the background become to blur, so go to Ctrl D to escape like this. So select this one, go to the filter, go to blur, and select Gaussian blur like this. Okay, it is radius, select 36 pixel or more than, example like this 80. So it's a full pixel. Up to you about this. Up to you about the blur in photo. In this case, I have select 36, something like that. Okay, 36 is good enough. So after we have finished creation blur of the background already, so open the eye. Open, you can see the children's was blur in the background already like this. Okay, okay, very good. I think very good. That is my tutorial in this video. I hope that clip is really useful for you. So before we are going to watch for the next clip, please don't forget to like, subscribe and hit the button to get the notification. Thank you very much for watching. See you next time. Okay, bye bye.